Alright, this morning I'm going in town to upload some YouTube videos and do laundry. So I'm gonna take you with me on my day out. A day in the life. Out on the town this morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. So here we go. Alright, I just got done at the coffee shop. I uploaded 2 videos, so there'll be one out today, and then on Friday I'll have another one out. It'll be past that for you guys, and then I walked through some of the other small shops downtown, and I just love downtown. Like, I love this town. It's so cute. Even the laundry place is like adorable. It's so vintage and so cute. But okay, so I'm gonna go do laundry now, but I have to go get detergent and dryer sheets. It's freezing. It's like 24 degrees out. I'm so cold. All I have on is a jean jacket. I'm so cold, but I'm gonna run to like the dollar store or something, get some detergent, and then go do our laundry at the laundromat. Fun stuff. Alright, I just finished up at the laundromat. It's probably like a good 2 hours. It's 2:30 now. I'm at Lowe's. I'm gonna go into Lowe's and get stuff to put our clothes away. So we need shelves. I'm gonna look for shelves for outdoor shelves to put all our tools and things, and then also the brackets for the shelves for in our cabinet. And hopefully we can get our clothes put away today. That would be great, because that's the biggest mess. Like, a whole loft is just clothes, so it would be really nice if we could get all that put away. And then I'll probably do some more drywall tonight and sand and mud. Alright, all done. I just got the racking. That beadboard though, that cedar beadboard, I think that's what I might do on the roof of the kitchen, like under the loft, where it's open still. I think I might do that. I calculated it'd be like $270 to cover the whole thing. My biggest concern is that it's not square, and so there might be like some that we have to cut down to fit. I don't know if it's square or not, but people are just so freaking nice. Like, strangers will be like, "Are you looking for something?" and show me where it is in Lowe's, and like, they're just so nice. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to go to the dollar store to get those bins for clothes.
Now back to the best.
I just cleaned this mirror. Look at it. Yeah, this is gonna be a thing. So I got these at Lowe's, and we don't have anything to cut them in half, so Dylan's gonna break it in half real quick for me. Hopefully that breaks it in half. Just a little back and forth action. Here we go. And I just got these little clips that'll go in here and hold the shelves. So these marks are where the last ones were. So we're just gonna put up these new ones. There she is, there she is. Very simple, very easy, very effective.
Where's your screw again?
Oh, screw it. How's she look? So you just stick these in here, whatever height. All right, so here's where we're at. So far we put in 1, 2, 3 shelves. We have 2 left. Maybe they fit in the bottom. Were there shelves in the bottom before? No, it doesn't look like it. But it's nice, it's a lot of space. So, should be good. Checking things off the list. Wrote down all of our goals on the fridge with a dry erase marker. Here's a dent from when my dad scratched it going to the door. But I'm excited. Alright, I haven't eaten yet today, so I'm gonna make a turkey sandwich. You know, we always have our butter dish out, but it never gets warm enough for the butter to not be hard. So I usually do this, and then I'll put it on broil and put it in the oven. And that's it. Just turkey provolone and mayo. Sometimes when I broil it though, then the bread is kind of soggy because it didn't get heated from the bottom. So I'm also toasting it because what else do I have to do, right? I feel like I need a nap today. I'm so tired. It's like 4:35. I'm so tired. I really want to get some more drywall done. Just mudding and sanding so I can get it painted. But I don't want to. But I need to. But I don't want to. But I need to. But I don't want to.